coastal waters forecast for Moriches Inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Monday. Gale warning in effect from 6 a.m. Monday through Monday afternoon. Hurricane force wind warning in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday morning. For tonight, north winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots late. Seas 4 to 7 feet. A slight chance of snow late. For Monday, northeast winds 25 to 35 knots. Gusts up to 45 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet, building to 9 to 13 feet in the afternoon. Snow, mainly in the afternoon. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. For Monday night, northeast winds 40 to 50 knots with gusts up to 65 knots. Seas 13 to 18 feet, building to 16 to 21 feet after midnight. Snow in the evening, then snow with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. And for Tuesday, north winds 40 to 50 knots. Gusts up to 65 knots in the morning, then gusts up to 60 knots in the afternoon. Seas 15 to 20 feet, subsiding to 12 to 17 feet in the afternoon. Snow with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then snow in the afternoon. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Winds and seas higher and in near thunderstorms. The marine forecast for eastern Long Island Sound. Storm warning in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday afternoon. For tonight,